Hello dear students, and let's go creative today. Let's begin. Today we're going to learn the difference between paper mache and paper clay. See this first image? This is paper mache. The second image is of paper clay. What you can use? You can use paper, tissue paper, or egg cartons, or cardboard. Let's take the paper. You can take any paper, make some pieces of it, cut it. You can use by your hands or scissor. And let's pour some water into it. See, make sure everything becomes wet. Now, okay, let it soak it for some time. Now, if it is newspaper, let it soak for 2 hours. Use your hands. Okay, so we have removed that. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take now this is what the remaining stuff, the water of that papers on which we have soaked it. Now you can take any kind of a cloth. What we're going to do is, how you do with a tea? Yes, the same way you're going to put the water through this cloth. Do it slowly. Let it go everything. Okay. Now squeeze it. Squeeze it nicely. Now if you're using cardboard, then the duration to soak it will be for 5 to 6 hours. Egg carton will be 2 hours. But we are using paper, so we have soaked for 2 hours. Now open the paper, open the cloth. Your stuff would appear in this way. You're going to transfer that remaining stuff into another bowl. Okay, see that? Now, what is appearing in front of you? Do in the same way. Make a small pieces with your hands. Okay, see, this will be appearing in this way. Now take a bowl. Now take 3 tablespoons of white glue. So tablespoon of white glue, 3 tablespoons. Pour it nicely. Use everything. Do not waste anything. Okay. Now we're going to use 3 tablespoons cornstarch or flour or maida. Mix it nicely. mixing it. See, it should be in this way, the same way how your mama makes chapati, the same way it looks. Now what is this? 1 tablespoon cooking oil. This is salt. 1 tablespoon will be fine. For what we are using it? To preserve it, okay? Now, the stuff we have removed from our hand of paper, pour it into it. Mix it well. Now the remaining stuff of the paper, pour it into it. Keep mixing it. It might be difficult with the spoon. Please use your hands. Mix it well. Good job. Okay then. Now this will appear in this way, in the black color. Keep mixing it. Let it become one. Okay, now use your both hands. Let it become one. Okay, now take anything you want that clay should take a shape of it. So we have taken this small bowl and we are pouring it nicely. See, inside every corner, every inch should be filled with it in order that clay should take a shape of that ball. Keep on doing it. Pour it little by little, slowly and gently, and press it with your own fingers. Do not forget to press it. That clay is going to take a shape of that bowl. So in short, we are making that bowl, right? With the help of clay. It is eco-friendly, it is air dry, and then it is affordable, easy to make, then it doesn't crack unless you crack it. It's strong, and it is ideal for what? It is for small and big sculptures, then where you don't need to find details. Okay, it's ready. Try to keep it for 3 to 4 hours to dry it. Your bowl will be ready. You can use any container. Okay. Okay, I hope you liked it. See you.